Okay, so now we have this, which is pretty powerful now that we have all these conditions. However, we can do even more with this. So let's say we are going to check if y is equal to y, and then what if we want to check if y is equal to y and if 1 is equal to 2. And so this should only be true if both of these are equal to true. So that's what this AND keyword does in Python. Basically what AND is saying is, okay, let's just check this on both sides. Let's just check both of these statements. If both of these are true, then I'm going to return true. Otherwise, if even one of them is false, or if both of them are false, then we're just going to return false. So this returns false because even though y is equal to y, 1 is not equal to 2, so then it's checking if both of them are true and false, and that's going to return false. And as we can see, if we can try true and false, then it returns false, false and true. Or if we type false and false, then these are the conditions where it's false. Only if it's something that's true and something that's true, only then will AND return true. So now there's more that we can do with this though. We don't just have to be limited to AND. There's also another thing called OR. So if we have the same thing from before, where we have y is equal to y, or 1 is equal to 2, this is going to check if just even one of them is equal to true. And if even one of them is equal to true, it's going to return true. Only if both of them are false will it return false. So if I press enter here, this is true because even though 1 is not equal to 2, y is equal to y, so it returns true. So we can see that if we type true and true, it returns true. If we type true and false, it's all I meant true and true or true. So if I type true or true, if I type true or false, if I type false or true, and if I type false or false, we can see that all of them are true except when both of them are false. And there's one more thing that we can do. We can have the word not. So if we want to check, so 1 is equal to 2. Normally this would just be false. But what if we wanted to check the opposite of that? We wanted to say the opposite of that. So if I say not 1 is equal to 2, then that's going to return true. And if I say not 1 is equal to 1, then it's going to be false. So basically, you can have not false or not true. Not basically just makes it the opposite. So not true will become false, and not false will become true.